What are purging compounds? Purging compounds, also referred to as screw cleaning agents, screw cleaners, or purging agents, are specifically formulated products designed to clean injection molding machines, extruders, and blow molding machines. These compounds are composed of a base resin and various additives that are carefully selected to effectively clean the screw, barrel, hot runner, and extruder die thoroughly and rapidly. By using purging compounds, manufacturers can significantly minimize waste resulting from frequent color and material changes, as well as efficiently eliminate carbides deposited within the barrel and on the screw surface. These versatile purging compounds find application in various industries such as automotive, medical, consumer products, and more. Why are purging compounds considered essential? High-quality purging compounds like dome purging compounds are essential if you prioritize process efficiency, profitability, and sustainability, while DIY purging methods, regrained, virgin resin, and budget alternatives may seem cheaper initially. They often lead to higher costs over time. Dome purging compounds are highly effective at minimizing downtime during changeovers and startups, preventing contamination, and reducing maintenance needs. They save significant amounts of production material, lower scrap rates, and cut down on energy and labor costs. Other solutions simply can't match their value or performance. High-quality dome commercial purging compounds save injection molding, extrusion, and blow molding plants up to hundreds of thousands of dollars annually on reduce at 50% to 80% scrap and downtime, improve efficiency, and maintain product quality.